Part 2 of working on this Tempest arcade machine. Please watch part 1 if you haven't already. If you remember from the previous video, I am not getting vertical. I can only get horizontal lines. The leg on this pot is broken off. That might be part of it. Let's try replacing that. This one has the same problem. One of the legs is broken off. After replacing those pots and fixing a broken trace, I've got a full image, but it's a little shaky. Let's see what we can do about that. I found something very odd. If I have the image moved more to the right, I have a relatively stable image. But if I move it left, it shakes like crazy. It does this with both boards, so I think there must be something up with the monitor. I had mentioned before that I hadn't rebuilt the high voltage section of the monitor, so let's go ahead and do that. Maybe that'll help. We now have a nice stable image, and both board sets are confirmed working. Which is good, because I got a second Tempest buried in the pile that's going to need it. Next we have cosmetics, which isn't a whole lot. It's mostly just cleaning, replacing the corn door light. But we do have a chunk missing here, as well as half of our T-molding. We'll move the T-molding down to make a little bit of a guide. We're going to fill this with Bondo, sand it down, paint it, and then apply some new T-molding. Now we do touch-up paint on the part that I added Bondo to, as well as the part I sanded off because I wasn't paying attention. And the new T-molding is already applied. And with that, we have a Tempest. A labor of love, but here it is. Follow me to see what I fix next.